So here comes the runoff. It's creeping its way down. We'll have a look at it in 5 minutes and see how far down it gets. So at this stage the path's fine. There's no sign of the flooding. The rain's been going for about 20 minutes now, I guess. So we'll keep an eye on this. Okay, so the path's starting to really get underwater now. You can see this bed here is starting to fill up. So here I put a board up against the fence to kind of stem the flow a bit, and I'll release it and you can watch the water coming out. So in the last 5 minutes this is now really building up. So you can see as I lift the board that I put there up and down, how the water flows through. Watch your cane. But the pitch is kind of fairly clear now. So I think it's kind of soaked through the initial layer and it's now just heading its way down to the fence here on the corner and exiting around this corner. Okay, so this water's really flowing quite fast now from the school fence. It's going down there towards the path, right? It's really filling up now. And you can see the rest of the path is by and large fine. There's a small bit down by my feet where it's flowing through as well. But it's down that bottom corner where it's kind of run down from the playing field and then sort of gushed through the fence. Here's a final thought. If you look at where the puddle is and then go over the fence here, you can see where the water's risen to the surface here. Previously, you know, that area had abated, but it's now started raining. It's obviously where it's saturated at this point. So that's your lot for today. I'll try and get back tomorrow morning. It's about 8 o'clock now. It's Thursday the 16th of June. We'll have a look on Friday morning.